Welcome back, Gadgeteers, and welcome to my unboxing for my brand new PC build. This is going to be really cool, so let's get started with the unboxing. Right here we have a HyperX keyboard. It's RGB. I believe it's mechanical. I think it's mechanical, at least. Open this up. We have some scissors.
Probably don't need those. Christmas in June.
It is Christmas in June. Take a look at this. If you look right here, you can see that keyboard.
Take it out of bed.
Oh yeah, it just comes out. Huh, that's convenient.
I like that.
Alright, see all the keys? And yeah, you go ahead and... I like that a lot. It's gonna turn into an ASMR channel. Whew, that's nice.
Yes.
Alright, next box. With a smaller box. It feels like Christmas, honestly. And we're gonna open it. See here. Ooh, this is the Ryzen processor. Now Mark will know what this is because I don't know anything about computers.
Sure he does.
I'll show you just what the case looks like.
So what we have, Gavin, is the Ryzen 5 5000 series processor, 5600 to be exact. Zen 3 architecture. And there is the beautiful actual processor. Let's see the sticker on the top. Yeah, 5600X.
And you can see the card right there.
You can throw it on a shelf if you want.
I'll put it right here. It looks nice right here. We have a few more boxes to unbox, so let's do this.
Currently just a few.
Just a few. Couple of boxes. Let's go ahead and cut this open. Alright, yeah, let's see. Gonna have to, it's a little bit heavy. Take it out of the box. Be careful though. Don't want to damage any of this. I'm gonna scoot that over to Mark. He can handle that. Alright. Oh, this is actually a power supply. A S50W gold power supply.
650 watt gold power supply EVGA, and our viewers will be able to tell us whether it's a good power supply or not. The research I did says yes.
Alright, next box. I really like that keyboard. It looked really nice. Let's see what we got here. Oh, wait. We have something.
Just don't explode it and I don't get scared.
Alright, let me put that down. I'll show you this first.
Vengeance LPX memory DDR4 3600 megahertz, 2x8 gigabytes set, 16 gigabytes total. And we get 2 because the AMD processors run much better with 2 DIMMs instead of 1.
Nice, we got some memory sticks. Correct? Yeah.
Yep.
Alright, let me put that right there. And then, man, let me show you something. This is the RTX, I do believe, right?
No, actually, the RTX is NVIDIA. This is the competitor, AMD.
Okay.
Radeon RX 6600 XT PCIe 4.0. It's a mid-level video card, but it will serve you well for a long time.
Still excited about that. Let's put that right there. Okay. This one's a little smaller. ahead. Open the top. There we go. Alright. Oh.
Do you know what it is?
I believe it is a motherboard.
Correct. Ryzen 5000 desktop ready. AMD socket AM4 B550 PCIe 4.0 ready.
Let's show you the back.
Excellent.
Alrighty. Put it right here. Set that down. Nice. Alrighty. Alright, it looks like we have multiple things in here. So let's go by one, and I'll show you what we got here. This looks like a box. I don't know what this is, so I'm gonna leave it right here.
Show the label. Let's see if we can.
Let's see.
Nothing too exciting. It is a 12 outlet surge protector with an 8-foot cord, and it also has protection against surges.
Which is going to be pretty useful.
I should have bought one of those for myself.
Here, I know exactly what this is. This is a HyperX mouse with RGB.
I don't know why I didn't buy a Wi-Fi mouse, wireless mouse.
Put that right there. And then we'll move on to, oh, this is actually a microphone. Audio Pro.
Professional condenser microphone. Monitor in real time. What's the other sides look like? Audio Pro.
Don't know if there's anything on that side. No,
Comes highly recommended on Amazon for a good mid-level mic.
This is a pretty good mic to start out with. Oh, let's see what this is. Oh, this is a sound bar. Look at this.
R30 powerful soundbar with brilliant light effects because the LEDs in the case aren't enough.
This is cool. I like this.
To get a new computer, you gotta have sound.
Yep. And then we have a SanDisk.
SSD plus 1 terabyte, so that should give him enough room for applications, operating system, and a couple of games.
Which is nice.
Many people would want to do the M.2 NVMe, and I understand why, because it's fast, but this was a budgetary item.
Alright. And now we're going to unbox the biggest box of them all. The box to rule them all. You may say.
And it weighs a lot. And it has a glass plate in there, so be careful.
Got that. Got it. Alrighty.
The Tower of Power.
The Tower of Power, guys. Here we go. Alright. Let me show you the front of this. Or is the front the same? It's the same. Thought it was different.
I'm very curious if any of you get the Mustex cases. So this thing's got 6 LED fans on it. To me, that's extreme overkill. That's why we didn't get the LED memory, plus it costs more. Definitely overkill, but hey, you can take it out if you want.
Let's do that. Plop that right down there. Ta-da.
Wow, that's really good packaging.
Put that right there. There we go.
Maybe
All
we
right.
can switch cases. I'll just take yours. Just kidding.
There we go.
Beautiful. Good airflow through the front here. 3 fans here. 2 fans on the top with a screen. I'm not sure if those are exhaust or intake. Whatever the case, I'll probably leave it when we build it.
So the little thing right here.
Oh yeah, there's another filter down there for the power supply.
Huh. That just wanted to come off. Put that back. There we go.
Slides in.
Yeah. If it will slide in, that is. There we go. Nope. Doesn't want to slide in.
That's right. Here, give it to me. We'll figure it out later.
Alright. Let's see. There you go.
And of course, the power supply.
Glass panel right here. Hello? Anybody home?
And it says warning glass.
Yeah.
Just in case you didn't know.
Ooh. Should we leave the thing on it or should we peel it off?
I would probably leave it on because it stays cleaner that way.
Okay, gotcha. Because I know some people like when you peel it off. So as you can see, we have everything right here unboxed. We have the tower. We also have the sound bar. We have the RX. What is it? The RX. Help me out.
6600 XT.
We have that as well. We have the microphone, the keyboard, the motherboard, and then we have the Ryzen processor.
And not pictured, of course, is the power supply.
Power supply, yeah.
Alright, let's get Gavin in the picture.
If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and also subscribe and leave a comment below telling me what your favorite part of this video was. And as always, I'd like to thank Fast Gadgets for this video and helping me out for this. I really couldn't do it without him. He really helped me get all these parts and components, so it's really appreciated. But anyways, this has been my unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it, and peace out, Gadgeteers.